going on, guys? Capono here. So we're gonna start the video off as the final, hopefully the final video of the Genesis differential. So as you already saw, I already pulled out the diff fluid, the pump that I need to pump it, so we're all ready to go. I'm super excited. We finally get to put everything in it. Hopefully I get to start up the car today and actually drive it. Finish up my breakfast. I just cooked up some eggs. I'll show you guys. Got some eggs, 5 eggs right there, and a serving of cheese, shredded cheese, the Mexican style. And this is about 40 grams protein and about 33 fat, like 1 carb. I'm gonna take some pills. Let's finish this up, and when I get out there, start the work. Luckily, it's not too hot outside, so I'm kind of excited. I already know it's gonna suck underneath the car, but let's get this going. Just got down to the cars. I have to remove the exhaust from the bottom again, and then I'm gonna get myself underneath there. I got the rear diff sitting right here on the ground, all ready to go. As you can tell, obviously there's a bolt in there. That's the whole purpose of all this. So we're gonna stick this back underneath in there, get the diff drive shaft, the axles, all that good stuff back in there. Lightly tighten everything back all together, and then also get all the torque specs, everything going. And then I'm gonna re-drain the oil that's next. I don't think I get all of it, and then we're gonna just put oil in and call it a day kind of thing. Hopefully there's nothing else wrong with the car. I am a little nervous for that part, because whenever the whole incident happened, the only thing that we could lead it to was the fact that the bolt broke. All the looseness made everything else happen. So let's just pray and hope for the best. So guys, just put on the coupler onto the rear diff. I'm just gonna put it on there first, and then that way I can just pop on the drive shaft and go from there. Just make it a lot easier. I'm about to roll it back underneath the car. Let's just hope this is a breeze. You know how it is whenever you work on a car, there's always something that makes it take forever. First off, this is hard to do, literally in a parking spot. This is so much easier it would be in a garage, or if I had the right tools. I'm still getting it done, that doesn't matter. Maneuvering underneath here is a strong task, but the actual diff is in. Got the coupler on, the drive shaft connected, this axle in. There's only, I can't move the wheel, but these bolts right here, I still got to do all the way around. Got this axle in, pushed in. That's the main bolt. We got that slightly in, and then one right here and one right in there. You can probably see it's dripping a little. I removed both of the bolts, the main one at the bottom and the one for basically to let all the air through. I can't remember the exact names, but yeah. I'm gonna let that drain out some more, come back out, lift that side up so I can tighten the bolts on the axle on that side, and then put the fluid in. Alright guys, so I'm about to open this thing up. We're gonna use just a tiny bit of the first one, because I think the diff only needs 1.4 quarts. So that's what we're gonna need. Basically just let it flow to the top, and then once it's to the top, that's how you know it's full. But we use a little bit of it. We're gonna clean out just a tiny bit of what's just in there, just make sure it's cleaned out of the diff. Then we're gonna just pump up the rest. So let's get that going. Alright guys, so as you just saw, I just finished putting the fluid into the car. It's all good to go. I checked everything. There shouldn't be anything else. So I think the battery's still dead, so I'm not gonna be able to just turn on the car. So what I'm gonna do is just turn on the Corvette real quick, and then jump it, and then if it runs right, then I'm good to go. So yeah, I'm excited. I really am excited. Alright, moment of truth. Obviously the car will start because I already started it. But oh, I don't have the key. Ha! Got it. Off the clutch. Ooh! You guys, I'm so stoked. Okay, let's pray that everything works. So let's let this thing warm up just a little, and then maybe take it on a spin. Alright guys, so the car's on. I am terrified right now to just even get in it and to even put it into first gear, to be honest. By the way, excuse my dirtiness. You know, I never look like this. I just got a lot of stuff going on. I was underneath the car. So anyways, I'm gonna hop in it. Rihanna's gonna record me. Let's just pray that nothing happens, like I've been saying. And if everything works out properly, you're gonna see me roll out just fine. And I'm gonna take it around the block, come back, and just be so happy. So let's go. Oh my God, it's moving! Is it recording? Dude, it works. Now it just needs a bath. We're washing the car today. We're doing that. After we change around as well, we're doing that. It's exciting. Woo, did you smell that? It stinks. Hasn't been raining in a while.
It does stink.
So, guys, this is exciting. This is what 3 videos now so far on basically this whole topic. And it's finally good. The car needs to be cleaned up just a little, and I'm sure once my brother sees, I might send him a sneak peek here in a second of a Snapchat of a sneak peek of it. But once he sees this video, he's gonna be super happy. He's coming next week to come get it. So I finished it just in time. So guys, we're gonna change her oil, wash the car. I might show some clips of that. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed it so far. So